Hey guys, just a quick video update to let you know what is going on with the project and let's just get started. So I am in the middle of a bunch of things going on at once. So this whole week it's been like crazy. On Monday I did a tool installation on the same day. It's part of the Comerio project. So I'm also editing that video, trying to make a beautiful story because I was by myself, and like always I don't have enough hands to record, to install a bunch of stuff, so it was tricky, this one. And I'm also right now building a system which is going to have a 1 kilowatt hour capacity. This is for a family that lives in Utuado. It is a beautiful story, and so as you can see my camera right there, my rig, I'm putting together the story. I'm not showing that much about the installation and putting together a system, but there's a part that I'm going to explain you what we did, and it's also going to open the doors and it's going to bring a lot of questions. That's why I'm doing it. But these packs right here are going to be connected with this one right here, and it's going to be used for that system right there. And I'm also getting ready these cells and those cells right there, because they're going for 2 more systems. Those extra systems are going for the Comerio project, and there, I thought I remember that I mentioned that it was 8 families, 5 in one side of in one part of the community, and other 3 in another one. But the part of the community that had 5 are actually 4 now. One of them moved out, so they couldn't get it anymore. They couldn't handle the pressure of not having power. So now it's 4. So we already did 2 of them. We're gonna do 2 more, hopefully by next week, because I'm so tired. I'm already running late with this one that is supposed to be today, but it looks like more for tomorrow. By the time that you watch this video, you already know Jehu mentioned that it's coming back to Puerto Rico it is mostly a business trip, and I want to make sure that we are also helping someone that reached out to him. But I want to make sure that I'm not leaving behind any of the cases or the projects that I'm working on just because he's coming back. So I'm kind of running, trying to put the logistic together and make sure that no one is left behind. So I'm going to take him with me and make him do some work, okay? Anyway, I want to say thank you for the help that I've been getting from the GoFundMe links. So just want to say thank you about that, because I managed to buy a bunch of stuff that I needed that I don't have anymore right now at hand. Like, I don't have the nickel strips. I just have the flimsy one, and I'm already running out of them. I don't have cables, so I'm hacking a cable that is right now at my feet right now. I'm just cutting it together and using that as the cables that's gonna connect the batteries. What else? Even though with the spot welder, it's taking forever. So I know for sure I'm way faster than just using soldering iron, and it's safer for the batteries, but it's taking a lot of time. So I'm already thinking, what can I do to make it faster? So yeah, one video coming out with 2 installations, a bunch of video coming out with Jehu over here in Puerto Rico, another story is coming out with the family on Utuado, and now I'm super tired, and this week it's not done yet. So anyway, God bless you all. Thank you for your kindness and support, and bye.